Hello everyone. Welcome to our guide on how to check if someone unfollowed you on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then select your activity. Scroll down and tap on Download your information. And proceed to download or transfer the information. Now select any account and tap Next. Then tap on some of your information. Scroll down to select followers and following. Download this to your device and create a file. Enter your email password, tap the Continue button, and enter the download. Once the download is complete, once your data is ready, you'll receive an email with a link to download it. Locate the Connections folder in your downloaded data and open the Followers and Following lists. To see who unfollowed you, compare your current followers list with the downloaded followers list. Any discrepancies will show you who has unfollowed you. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.